Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to move a page in Notion. So simply go to your Notion app and go to the page that you want to move, and in this page at the top right corner you will see these three dot options. Simply tap on here and here you can see these move to options. Simply tap on here. On in here they will show you all the pages that you have in your Notion, and you can always choose any of them that where you want to move your page. So there's the one way how you can move a page in your and from one page to another page, or you can always move any of the link of one page to another page. Simply as you can see, I have a PDF link in here. So in here you can see these 3D options. Simply tap on here, and you can also always this link. As you can see, there is a move to option, or you can choose any of them page, or you can see this private page, Notion Basics, any of them. Simply select anyone and this options will be go to in this page. So that's it, how we can move a page from one page to another. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us.